Today we will discuss about chapter 8. So heute diskutieren wir Körperteile, Lektion 8. So the name of topic is Körperteile. So Körperteile means parts of body. Their Kopf, okay, so sprechen Sie nach mir. Sprechen Sie nach mir means speak after me. So their Kopf, so then das Haar, das Auge, die Nase, their Hals, their Mund, their Arm, the Hand, their Finger, their Bauch, das Bein, their Fuß. So noch einmal. So das Haar, ja, das Haar, their Kopf, their Kopf, das Auge, die Nase, der Mund, their Hals, their Arm, the hand, their finger, their Bauch, das Bein, their Fuß. So this one is a S. So Fuß. Then next Seite. So Seite 8 und 6. The topic is here Körperteile. Again parts of body. So there are pictures and numbers are over there. Okay, and so it's an exercise. We have to fill up here the singular form and the plural form of the body parts. So some of the body parts we can get from the last page, so the page number 67. Okay, but there is a new one, so this one, so it's a Gesichter. Okay, so I will you can see about these all in this video itself, yeah, in next slide. So then this one, wie gut kennst du deinen Körper? That means how good do you know your body? So wie gut, how good, kennst du, so do you know, yeah, so kennen is to know, du deinen Körper, so like your body. Okay, so it's a puzzle. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find out the name of the body parts. So like here hand. Okay, in the same way you can go in this way, so horizontally and vertically. So here we are having another one, Bauch, B-A-U-C-H, so B-A-U-C-H, Bauch. Okay, and in the same way we can search for the next one, yeah, so like, okay, wait, so Bauch, then we can go with this one, yeah, so Kopf, K-O-P-F, yeah, Kopf, and okay, then in this way also, yeah, O-H-R, over, yeah. So in this way you have to find out the parts of body in this puzzle, yeah. So then we move to the next page. So before moving to next page, we will go through the singular and plural form of the parts of body. Körperteile. Das Haar, die Haare. Das Auge, die Augen. Die Nase, die Nasen. Der Mund, die Munde. Der Kopf, die Köpfe. Der Hals, die Hälse. Der Arm, die Arme. Die Hand, die Hände. Der Finger, die Finger. Der Bauch, die Bäuche. Das Bein, die Beine. Der Fuß, die Füße. Die Lippe, die Lippen. Das Ohr, die Ohren. Die Wange, die Wangen. Die Schulter, die Schultern. Das Gesicht, die Gesichter. Now we know the singular and plural form of the body parts. So here this is the exercise which is based on singular and plural form of the body parts. Okay, the topic is wie viele, that means how many. Okay, and there is little bit grammar. So the grammar, there is a verb habe, so haben. Okay, basically the verb is haben. Okay, so ich habe, du hast, then the name. Okay, so Ravana, Durga, Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva, hat. Okay, the same verb which we have in English, have. Okay, so then we are having the questions here. So wie viele, so how many? Wie viele Arme hast du, Rahul? So he says, ich habe zwei Arme. Okay. Then wie viele Beine hast du, Rinku? Then what he will answer? Ich habe zwei Beine. Then wie viele Köpfe hat Ravana? Ravana hat 10 Köpfe. Okay. Then wie viele Arme hat Vishnu? So Vishnu hat 4 Arme. The next question, wie viele Köpfe hat Brahma? So Brahma hat 4 Köpfe. Then wie viele Hände hat Durga? Durga hat 10 Hände. Then wie viele Augen hat Shiva? Then Shiva hat 3 Augen. Then wie viele Füße hast du, Pinky? Ich habe 2 Füße. Okay, so and here what you have to do is, okay, so this is the picture of Ma Durga. Then wie viele, yeah, so partner Übung, that means practice with your friend, yeah, or in a group. So partner 1, wie viele Beine hast du? Ich habe 2 Beine. So basically here this is here written the plural of body parts. What we have to do, we have to just write down the singular, or just we have to frame the question like this and answer in the same way. Okay, so and in the previous video, not the previous video, basically in the same video, the last slide was about the singular and plural part of the body. So just go through it also, and then next label the parts of body. Yeah, the same picture which we have discussed on the first page. So on the page number 8 und yeah, the page Seite 7 und 6. Okay, just we have to write the words here, yeah, write the name of the body parts. Then vocabulary, yeah, so this is the last page of this chapter. So vocabulary, okay, so sprechen Sie nach mir, yeah, their cough, head, their cough, head, their Hals, neck, their Hals, neck, die Haare, hair, die Haare, hair, das Auge, die Augen. So this is the plural of this word. So das Auge, die Augen, eyes, their Mund, mouth, their Fuß, foot, their Fuß, foot, their Bauch, stomach, die Nase, nose, die Nase, nose, their Morgen, morning, die Klasse, class, kommen, to come, this is the verb, kommen, to come, wie, how, then viele, many, so wie viele, how many, then Lippen, lips, Lippen, lips, this is choose. Okay, T is silent here, so choose, yeah, buy. Danke, okay, the word is danke, thanks. Then Adresse, okay, it's not Adresse, it's not the, it's a the, so Adresse, address. Then lernen, once again this is the verb lernen. So we have discussed these verbs in chapter 7. So lernen, to learn. Okay, so with this page we have completed chapter 8. Then auf Wiedersehen.